This is day 14, which means it's week 2. Um, really, the end of week 2. And right now, just a couple updates. First off, with my eating habits. Same as the first week. I've been consistent. 7 meals a day. Um, Waking up at 8:30, first meal at 9. Last snack would be at 9 or before 9. And, staying consistent and never really doing anything out of the ordinary except for maybe the one cheat meal. When I say one cheat meal, it's one meal, either breakfast, lunch, or dinner, but most likely it would be lunch or dinner that would have that cheat meal. Um, and it started in the beginning of the week, which was Tuesday, so I was pretty good for the rest of the week up until now. Um, Workout wise, the first week was complete torture. My body felt like it was gonna cramp every other second. My stamina was below par, but as the second week progressed, I felt during the beginning of the workout, I was able to get through just the warm ups and the stretches without any really problems. But I'm still soaked in sweat doing the workouts and the stretches. And as for everything else, from pure cardio to polymetrics to recovery, um, first week my body usually gives out within like the half mark of the video. For those of you who don't know, the video is mostly 40 minutes long. So the first week I would stop 20 minutes and almost faint or like throw up whatever water I drank, taking those 30-second breaks. But the second week, um, I could say I finished 80% of the video, which leaves you with like 10 minutes left. But I pushed through. Hopefully, I get to see some results. Already people say they've been noticing the results, but personally, like, I see myself in the mirror every day, so I don't really see it. Uh, Hopefully, the next 2 weeks would move by as fast as the first 2 weeks to make month one, my first 30 days, complete. And as for further ahead into the future, tomorrow would be my first weigh-in. Um, I weighed in at about 240 to 241 and a half pounds 2 weeks ago. My first weigh-in officially is tomorrow. I'm gonna do it in the morning before I record the video, so I can actually, record how much weight loss I actually was successful of losing weight. So we'll see what goes on from there. So right now, I'm just gonna have dinner and then just wait a couple more hours and probably hit the bed. Yeah, it's been a long day.